This is the hair tie I made yesterday. It is made with the acrylic yarn. I am using the hair elastic 4mm hook and Caron all day cotton. First we are going to cover the scrunchie in single crochet. Do the single crochet to cover the hair elastic. I made 41 single crochet to cover my elastic. Now slip stitch, and the next row I am going to make double crochet. So begin with the chain 3, which is first double crochet, then make one more double crochet. So yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through the first 2 loops on the hook, yarn over hook, go through the next 2 loop on the hook. Then we make a chain 1. Then in the next stitch again we are going to make 2 double crochet, chain 1, and then in the next one again 2 double crochet, chain 1. So you can go ahead and make in every stitch 2 double crochets and chain 1. Now that round is done, it's already ruffling, so we are going to join with a slip stitch the top of the third chain in the beginning. So insert the hook in the third chain in the beginning, pull through and pull through the loop on your hook. Now we are going to cut the yarn and change the color. I cut the yarn, then I'm going to just pull through that again so it will get locked. Now I'm just going to weave it with my hook. A few times one way and a few times the other way. Now we are going to work on the chain 1 spaces. We can do the standing double crochet. Here you have the slip stitch on the hook, insert the yarn over hook, insert the hook into the chain 1 space, bring up a loop, then yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops, yarn over hook and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now you can hold your yarn tail to the other side, and we are going to make another double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now go to the next chain 1 space and make another 5 double crochet. So in each chain 1 spaces we are going to make 1 double crochet. Now that round is done, and I am going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. Now turn the work, then make a single crochet in the same space, then chain 3, make a single crochet between these 5 double crochets here, chain 3, again finish making chain 3 and single crochet all across. So we are in the last 5 double crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to the beginning single crochet. Now we can cut the yarn and lock it in place. Just pull through. Now turn it the other way. Now we are going back to the green yarn, attach in any of the chain 3 loop. I make a single crochet. Make 7 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to insert the hook in between these 2 clusters of 5 double crochets, then bring it up and pull through. That's a slip stitch right there. Now again going to make 7 single crochet in the next chain 3 loop. So repeat that one. Every chain 3 loop will get 7 single crochet. Then we do a slip stitch, inserting the hook right below the right between those 2 clusters of 5 double crochet. Now this is how the finished scrunchie looks like. It looks beautiful for me. So what do you think? Which colors are you going to make? This is the first one with the acrylic, and this is the one with the cotton. Both are looking good.